NMN reduces heart attack damage by activating anti-inflammatory cells, new study shows. Research conclusion. A research report shows that NMN, a nutrient called nicotinamide mononucleotide, can awaken the scavenger cells, macrophages, in the immune system, turning them into repair mode, and reducing the damage caused by heart attacks by releasing special vesicles, exosomes, and the protective protein U2AF1. Key points of the research. 1. NMN turns immune cells into repair helpers. After a heart attack, macrophages will clean up damaged tissues and help repair them. After being treated with NMN, these cells will secrete more IL-10. Left. Like a painkiller, it reduces inflammatory damage. VEGF. Right. Helps grow new blood vessels and restore blood flow. 2. NMN super exosomes make the heart better. Exosomes are like postmen between cells, carrying repair materials, proteins, lipids, RNA. NMN allows macrophages to release more repair exosomes. After injecting these exosomes into mice with myocardial infarction, the heart function improved and the damage was reduced, which was even more effective than taking NMN directly. 3. U2AF1. The secret weapon for heart repair. NMN increases the amount of U2AF1 in exosomes and helps repair the heart. Experiments on mice found more U2AF1. The heart becomes stronger and more blood vessels grow. No U2AF1. The survival rate after myocardial infarction drops significantly. And the U2AF1 level of heart patients is low, which proves that it is very important. 4. How does U2AF1 help? U2AF1 is like a gene editor, helping to adjust genes, especially the YAP gene, produce proteins that promote cell growth and new blood vessels, and accelerate heart recovery. What it means to us. The more U2AF1, the better the blood vessels grow, which is directly related to the recovery of heart patients. NMN may help grow blood vessels through U2AF1, which can improve the survival rate and resilience after heart disease. Future hope. NMN not only replenishes energy, NAD+, but also protects the heart. By activating macrophages and exosomes, it may be used to treat heart regeneration and chronic heart disease in the future. The golden triangle of NMN plus exosomes plus U2AF1 may be the next breakthrough in heart treatment.